Okay, another knot that I learned to tie is called what I call a striper's knot. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can put the hook on first through the line. You run it up about 1.5 feet. You take and you make a loop. And where the lines cross, you start twisting them. Normally about 4 or 5 wraps. You stick the hook back through that loop. I always held it like that. Now again, the friction will break the line, so it's important to wet it and pull it down slowly on this knot, because you pull it too fast, it'll cause it to break too. Now the line, as you can see, pulls through the knot. It's in a straight line, and that's one of the tougher knots you can tie. Now that was with the hook through the loop. You can do the same thing without the hook through the loop. One of the problems is on these bigger hooks is the gap where the metal comes together. If a big fish gets on it and he gets that line over there, he can actually pull and come off. What I like to do is sometimes leave the hook off, stick the loop through there and come back through it, which I'll show you that knot too. Okay, now the same thing without the hook on it, about 1.5 feet. You make the same loop, just twist it like that. Then you take and start twisting the top two about 4 times. Take that, pull it through with your fingers, stick it in your mouth, pull it down. You gotta be careful with it so you don't let the line get hot. Always, when I get it that close, I wet it, and then we'll pull it together. And there, normally we would tie 2 of those about 1.5 feet apart. We'd put our little jigs on there. Caught a lot of stripers this way. But like I was saying earlier, with the hook having the gap in it, this way you can take that loop, stick it back through the hook, stick the hook back through that, and pull it down. And it doesn't slide over there and come off like the other one will. I've never lost a hook that way, but I have lost them the other way, depending on the brands of hooks you buy. So there you go, what it looks like.